Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the update flow. First, make sure your laptop is plugged in and on a reliable network. This prevents interruptions. Once done, save documents and close heavy apps to free resources. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates and let Windows list available patches. You're initiating the process immediately, so you can address any prerequisites the installer flags without delay. You'll manage the download and installation next. After Windows lists updates, review optional items like drivers and feature packs so you only install what you need. Click Download and watch progress. Windows installs many components in the background to minimize disruption. Make sure not to force a shutdown. When installation completes, Windows will prompt for a restart. You can restart now to finish immediately or schedule the restart for a convenient time if you're in the middle of work. You'll complete the process and verify success. After reboot, sign in and return to Windows Update to confirm there are no pending tasks. Updates sometimes install in multiple phases. Perform a quick disk cleanup, and if performance lags, restart again to finalize services. If an update fails or the system is stuck, run the Windows Update troubleshooter from Settings. It automatically checks services, resets components, and suggests fixes. If problems persist, note the error code for targeted support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.